Digital Learning Day is an informal holiday to recognize and celebrate the digital learning that happens in our schools. It's celebrated in 2016 on February 17th, but in USD 113 Prairie Hills, digital learning happens every day. Digital learning in the Prairie Hills schools helps to foster the 4 C's in our students: creativity, communication, collaboration, and critical thinking. Critical thinkers skillfully apply the information they have gathered from observation or reasoning. These chemistry students gather data, recording it on their digital devices. They make use of the device's camera to accurately represent their observations. And they use digital tools to analyze results and represent them graphically. Digital tools which allow annotation over the top of photographs allow our students to make their critical thinking more visible. A digital journal can integrate a photograph along with student-written observations. Teachers can facilitate critical thinking by providing students with QR codes that help them quickly access information. This elementary student is developing his early computer programming skills using a coding app, which encourages critical thinking. Creativity is the ability to generate new, meaningful ideas. Digital tools that allow students to draw, write, and record their voice give students the opportunity to express themselves creatively. Using photographs as prompts encourages students as they create written work. Digital writing by even our youngest students becomes a possibility. Often, our students express themselves creatively in traditional formats, but use the digital tools available to them to record it and even to reflect on their work. Communication is an exchange of information using words, sounds, signs, or behaviors. Digital tools allow peers to give one another feedback on their digital writing. Partner activities where one device is shared between multiple students encourage communication as students learn to work together. Students use their digital devices to create presentations which showcase their learning. And they practice their delivery in front of their peers using projectors. Collaboration is working jointly with others, especially in an intellectual endeavor. Digital tools provide new ways for students to collaborate and engaging reasons for them to collaborate. Traditional projects which require collaboration are enhanced by the use of digital resources. Here, a student documents a class activity for her peer for later reflection. In Prairie Hills, our one-to-one access to technology means digital learning can happen in any classroom. From practicing spelling words by making a word cloud, to using the digital device's camera to capture and critique form in the weightlifting room, digital learning can happen in any room at any time. Illustrated poetry, graphic designs to promote charitable organizations in art, handwriting practice, learning about the inside of a computer and how its physical components work. Digital texts that can be accessed anywhere, sometimes even with read-aloud support. 2-person math games that make learning fun and engaging. Access to technology right in the classroom instead of the computer lab is great for research projects. Sharing images of non-digital activities with parents through the use of an online journal. Computer labs remain an important part of our buildings as they are used for instruction in keyboarding and specific software. Digital devices have many useful built-in tools like timers. digital writing from spelling word practice to journal entries. Delivering video to student devices makes class time engaging and respects differences in learning styles. Documentation and reflection of three-dimensional art projects. Using QR codes to quickly access websites in the elementary classroom. Online textbooks are used in language arts, math, and several other subjects. In the music classroom, recording tools and apps that allow students to compose music. This Digital Learning Day, we celebrate the Prairie Hills staff who use digital learning to make their curriculum engaging as they prepare our students for a future in college and careers. And we thank our administration and school board for their ongoing support in our digital learning efforts.